Good morning, Aurelia. It is Good Friday, and I'm at the shop this morning just tying up some loose ends. Both Maggie and I have been fighting a nasty cold that's been going around. So we've got some stuff we haven't gotten to, so I'm gonna spend the next couple hours at the shop going through some stuff, just tidying up some loose ends. And while it's quiet, so we're not open today, but we're doing some things. So I hear that unboxings are all the rage, and I am completely out of touch, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyway, we are excited to share the announcement of the Gus Fall 2025 line, and we received some boxes the other day, and I just want to open them up and see what's happening. I'm pretty sure that this one here is new catalogs. So if you're in the market for some really cool furniture designed in Toronto, please come by and grab yourself a catalog. They're free and they're pretty cool. They do a really good job at Gus there. So as expected, these are the new fall 2025 product catalog, collection catalog. They've got some new sofas, some new fabrics, some new console tables, and stuff like that. So by all means, come by and grab yourself a free catalog. They're really cool. You can go online too, but it's nice to have something in your hands that you can flip through and check things out. So anyway, that is the new catalog. Come on by. So let's see what's in this other box. I feel like they might be some fabric samples, but we shall find out. And I'm not doing a very good job holding this camera, so apologies for that. But anyway, let's hope I don't cut through anything. And look at that. Fabric samples. Holy smokes. So let us see. So look at all these goodies in here. Get rid of that, save it for later. So here's all the new fabrics for the fall 2025 collection. There's quite a few in here. It's really amazing. Gus provides you with little fabric swatches if you're ever want to come and grab one. If you're thinking about a new sofa or a new accent chair or anything like that, then you can come in and grab a swatch from us and take it home and see what it looks like in your space and next to your other furniture if you're thinking about adding a Gus piece. We also have the big one, so you can come in. Can't take these ones home, unfortunately, but you can see this large sample. If I'm being honest, we use the old ones to cover our showroom furniture because the Dougie, the dog, our dog, loves to come and sleep on the couch. So we use the old ones to protect the samples and the showroom samples. But these are the new Gus fabrics. I will learn a lot more about these. Maggie probably knows a lot more about it already, but feel free to come in, check out the swatch samples, check out the grab a new catalog, and see what Gus has to offer for their fall 2025 collection. Thanks, everybody. Have a great Easter long weekend.